guys, in this video let's perform a practical drop test of the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 with production. Drop tests are kind of unscientific since anything can happen in an accidental drop and depends on many variables like the kind of surface your device falls on or the angle of drop. And as we know, maybe that's the reason why smartphone companies never claim their devices as unbreakable. So here we are trying to attempt a practical drop test with a simple soft case and tempered glass, since most of us do use protection to safeguard our valuable devices. There will be 5 practical drops attempted in this test, 2 random drops from pocket or waist height and 3 drops from head height of about 6 feet. Will the Zenfone Max Pro M2 be able to survive the drops from a 6 feet height? Let's find out. Just some slight scuff marks at the edges after the first drop with no visible damage in the device as yet. So moving on with the test till the final 6 feet drop with the display facing downwards. Everything seems fine after the test. No break or damage in his plastic body, with the phone functioning normally as before. The shattered tempered glass also did a marvelous job by sacrificing itself and saving the main glass protection on the display. Though the display unit had separated from the mid-frame, which needed some forceful prodding to get it back into place.